world into action. They joined countries and divided societies. Dr. Martin Luther King's speech once made millions of people hope for racial justice, whereas Hitler's speech gave a nation catastrophe. If words possess such value, if words possess such power, then can we really put words without responsibility? Today I stand before you to speak on the motion freedom of speech should have limits. Now, before I keep my stances, freedom of speech is an important value and it is an achievement of democracy. However, since freedom of speech is a right, it should coexist with the other rights humans need to have. For example, we need to live with dignity. We need our public space. And if, in the name of freedom of speech, we have to lose the dignity, we have to lose our space, then the freedom of speech is not a shield for our ideas, but it's a sword which is penetrating our backs. Similarly, today it's an age of social media and everyone's on their screens. The screens are on their desk, they're on their hands, and people are communicating through us. And amidst this communication, imagine you get humiliated. Imagine someone posts something bad about you. How would you feel? That's public shaming. That's humiliation that hits right through your heart. And it's not righteous that a person gets to speak about another person's bad in a mass such as that. That would completely cut off a person from their public life and not allow them to show their faces amongst themselves. Therefore, people should be concerned and people should put limits on what they're saying instead of blabbering nonsense in social media as well. Now, here's the thing. We all speak with our parents respectfully. We don't blabber gibberish with them, do we? We speak with them respectfully, and similarly, we put limits to what we say. We don't vulgarize our say towards them. We speak with limits. Similarly, in freedom of speech as well, we should have limits such that we don't put stances on others. Now, if you are going to build a house in the middle of the highway, how would that be? Exactly, absurd, right? So, instead of putting random things in random places, we should put limits that will allow us to righteously build different paths and help us move properly. Now, if my opposition are saying that we want public spaces, that we want a public space where we can speak anything we want, well, if you think about it honestly, then in a public space where everyone can speak, there are always going to be people who are going to silence the other minority. There are going to be louder bullies who are going to suppress the people who can't, who have a timid, who have a weaker voice. Thus, to limit such bullying, such harassment, and stop targeted intimidation, we should put limits on our say and freedom of speech as well. Now, for my opposition, I would like to clarify that putting limits doesn't mean not speaking. Putting limits does not mean going primitive. Putting limits doesn't mean becoming a monkey. Putting limits is actually increasing yourself, learning how to live towards yourself, and putting a stop, like how you put those on growing plants, so that you can grow properly and have your say without hurting everyone else in your life. Thank you.